So Mum just messaged me and she's like, I want to walk around Hunted, which is like a big sort of warehouse place with heaps of different stalls of like really old stuff. I'm like, Mum, I hate walking around Hunted. Let's go to IKEA. Mum's like, yes, IKEA, let's do it. Anyway, so we're gonna go and walk around IKEA, and I thought I would take you along and get ideas for what I want in my barn house that I'm gonna get in like 8 years. But anyway, my barn house, I want to get like ideas and stuff from IKEA, and I want to check out mirrors because I want a big mirror for where the guitar is just there. There is one at the cheapo place that I've asked Daniel for my birthday, but I wanted to check IKEA as well. Anyway, so that's where we're headed. Mum's dream mural on the wall. Stunning. There's a butterfly. So cute. Anyway, what's the lighting like over here? No. Okay, what's the lighting like here? Is it better here? Hi! Hi! We made it. Yeah, I don't know how to introduce someone else. Mum! It's always hard if you're looking up there, you're gonna look here. Anyway, Mum!
Oh, hi.
Yeah,
okay, I've got to look there.
Yeah.
I like these frames. Look, I could do my own painting in that.
Yeah, true actually, that one's
like
really
that.
nice.
And I want that wall.
Yeah, we need the wall. We need the wall. The wall is good.
Really cool.
That is really cute.
That would fit my brushes in it. That would fit all my paints in it. Look, and they got little
Oh my god, they're like
and
slidey
they got
thing.
a holdy thingy. It's called a handle.
Yeah, that's cool. It's displacing me again. I need one of these for my resin.
Yeah.
Bad.
Does this have a tag on it? Of course not.
Nah, why would it?
What's it called?
I don't know. These plants. These plants. I want colourful ones. Anyway, this wall. I'm digging this wall right now. Yep. Chill out, Zen.
They're so cute. And all the different shapes. That one's on an angle.
It's like a little
yeah.
apothecary.
Yeah.
What is that? Why? Why is that a thing? That's not rad. That's a tiny kitchen. Shout out to Granddad, Daniel, Ryan, or Dad. We need one of these. Oh, these huge like cupboard things. And then you like push it and it pops out. And then you've got like space. And then there's the fridge. Yep. I like it. Old fashioned prettiness. Look at the sink. Look at the sink. I like the sink. I want that sink. Not this. The sink. The tap is what I meant. The tap. These are the island benches I want in the kitchen. Something like this, but like not in the middle. Just wood the whole time. Like that one, but twice as big. Because it's like... It's so little. I want like a big one. Big, huge one. The mirror section. Oh, that one's weird. What the heck? It's like got hot plants. That one's cool. Cute little kitty.
You need it under the window?
Yeah. We found the food, we found the food, we found the food. It's just like zooming into the food. Yep, food. Oh, hello. We got food. We got food. So, Mum got
Salmon?
Salmon with mashed potato and a lemon tart. I got a lemon tart, a cinnamon scroll, mashed potato, and chicken balls. And
two ciders.
Oh yeah, and ciders. Oh my god. We've hit the section where there's like everything. So we have a trolley. And Mum's.
I was going to say, it says measuring and it's just got measuring in there.
Oh, that's weird. There's the bottles, Mum.
I found them.
Are they? Oh yeah. These are baby ones.
Well, I
Look
think...
at all the kombucha. All of them. Hello. Do they look like normal pillows or are they not normal pillows?
Those ones over there. So nice. How many pencils?
Aha!
grab two.
I just run you over. We got one.
Alright.
Ugh. It's not pretty.
I don't care.
It's not pretty.
I think it's pretty.
It's not pretty. The blue over there is pretty, but there's no blue tubs. With really ugly patterns and a really ugly colour. Stationary pieces. What else we got? They're better-ish. I don't know. I really do need one because I can't organise myself good enough. I don't mind that. I can hear Mum talking. Where is she? Over there. There's a blue. No, I don't like the flowers. Scanning. Nope. Okay. Square. Another frame. There's my display box. Well, these aren't. Well, I think it's on the other side of it. Thing. The thing. What is that? It's hideous. What are you meant to do with that? Look at the big clock. I want a big clock like this in my house. Okay, like 4 times the size of a clock like that. Would be good. What else we got in here? Oh, there's like a chalkboard thing. Those things, I like those things up there. Up there. Oh, there's like cute little clear display pockets. Don't mind that either. Big mirror. I like it. What else we got? Why is it like they're all mirrors, but they're all the same as what was in the mirrors earlier? Okay. Let's check out how many. I've lost Mum now. Look at all the points. Oh my god. Look at all the points. Where's the other one? Over here. Over here. Like these things. Like a whole like tree of those in the lounge room.
That's a real one, by the way.
Is it? Well.
Be careful because most of these are. So.
Oh, I see. Right. I thought they weren't real. Okay. Don't put fake ones with the real ones. Are they real too? Yeah. No.
Beautiful.
They're all real. I don't want the real one.
They're not that price, are they? Don't
Are they?
get them that price anywhere.
Oh, really? I mean, they're going to die in 2 seconds when you get them home. These are what I want. I don't really like the bamboo in them though. I want like a normal. Oh, there they are. Over there. I found them.
What?
The big fake cactus. The ones up there on the wall that the guy's standing with. Those ones. But I want like ones with flowers. Like I have to stick fake flowers in them. That one's cool. Guaranteed green with no effort.
Excellent effort.
How much are they? They're only 40. Only. Only. How hard is it? Anyway. Yep. I'm gonna struggle.
There's a little picnic table. And it's like that.
Probably 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Oh my god. It's plastic? Not a mirror. Okay. I literally did think that was a mirror just then actually. But anyway. Wait, the desk's over there. Rugs. Hi. Say mummy's home. He said mummy's home. See? Did I come home? Yep. So mummy was at IKEA. And we're finishing the video. And we're going to say bye. You say bye. Bye. So I hope you enjoyed. It was okay. You go mwah. Go mwah. Yeah. See ya.